Hi, wonderfully created. Welcome to CreatedIAm. We're going to be making this classy, simple gold belt. No sewing machine needed. You just need scissors, material, and fabric glue. Step 1. Take a measurement of your waist or whichever part of your body you prefer to wear your belt on and add 10 inches. I've chosen this fabric. If you'd like to get your own, there's a link in the description box to the Amazon order. It's not sponsored, so it's just there if you'd like it. One quick thing to note is when it came, I did leave it out to air because it does have a bit of a smell to it when it initially gets unwrapped. Using the measurement you took before, you're going to cut out a strip that's about 1 inch to 2 inches thick. Now, the reason you have all these tools on the screen is because I'm actually doing a review on cutting mats and cutters. As you can see, I don't normally have this mat. And it's just to see whether or not, as everyday sewers, we actually need these tools. So that's why I'm using that here. So subscribe and turn on the notification bell for that video. Because my material has a side that is blatantly wrong, I'm going to try and cover up, and that's why I have 10 inches, because we're going to fold it at 5 inches. Guys, my nail snapped. I really don't like it when that happens. Anyway, let's focus. We're going to apply glue to one side, 5 inches. You don't want to spread it with the actual glue appliance because you don't want to block up the entrance. So grab something else, something lying around the house to spread it out. Yes, guys, I know it's looking simple. It is that simple. All you're going to have to do now is wait to grab a snack, some nice grapes. These grapes, looking at these grapes now is just making me a bit hungry, but focus. Now, I was thinking about the strength of this belt, and what I decided to do is apply glue to the other 5 inches. So I applied glue to 10 inches on one side in total, just to make it a bit stronger. Once the glue is tacky, you're going to fold it over, trying to make sure that the edges are aligned as much as possible, so when you turn it to the right side you can't see the wrong side. Now, as you can see, there's a bit of a gap, so we need something heavy to weigh it down. Whilst that's weighing it down, we're going to work on the other side. I've decided to use 3 straps, but you can use more or less than that. You should probably stay away from 1 strap because it doesn't allow you to have a strong hold, so 2 or more. You want the straps to be longer than the width of your belt so it can wrap around. The key part is to make sure that the width long enough to cover the front is not covered with glue because you don't want to glue down your entrance for your belt. So just glue the edges, and once again grab a snack and wait for it to get tacky. I decided that my final strip was not going to be right at the very edge. You can see I left about 1/2 centimeter there and then about 1 centimeter between each of my strips. You can decide how long you want these gaps to be. It's up to you. As you can see, the strips don't cover the full length of my 5 inches. That's because of the designs I have in mind when it comes to actually doing up the belt. So that's why I decided to keep mine at this 3-inch mark. Now, I use clips, but that was just temporary because these clips, though they're lovely, they do leave indentations, especially in this type of fabric. So instead, I'm going to grab something heavy and use that. Most fabric glues will recommend you to leave the glue to set for 24 hours and maybe cure for even longer than that. So if you're using fabric glue, you're going to have to be patient. And voila, elegant. Don't miss out on the video showing you how to create these designs on the belt. I'm hoping to upload them on creatediamm.com, so if you join the email list, you get notified when I upload a blog post. This is a super easy, quick DIY, not requiring a sewing machine, so let me know if you tried it out at CreatedIAm on most social medias. Give it a thumbs up and a subscription if you like the content, but more importantly, remember, you are wonderfully created.